Home is where our heart is, and a place we call a safe place, where our children get a healthy, protected life, and we create memories. To this safe world we created, we carry harmful microbes. How do we protect what matters? Presenting Captain Antimicrobial, a breakthrough surface coating technology that prevents the growth of virus, bacteria, fungi. The solution is applied on surfaces exposed to microbes we carried from our interaction with the outside world.
The unconventionally bound antimicrobial stays affixed on the treated surfaces and on a molecular scale that physically kills and electrocutes the microorganisms on the surfaces.
It can be treated on any hard surfaces by either fogging, soaking, paint rolling, wiping on the target substances.
Let's make our choice count by building a safer and a better world today. What is a better way to protect the world we live in? For more details and service enquiries, download eMahindra app or call on 9902020123.